Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Stonk Journal review. Stonk Journal is a powerful portfolio tracking and journaling app for stocks, crypto, and other investments, designed to help traders stay disciplined and reflective. To get started, first, create your account by downloading the app or using a browser and clicking Get Started, signing up with your email or third party options. Once registered, set up your portfolio by manually adding assets or importing from trading platforms, including starting values for accurate tracking. After setup, logging a trade is simple. Tap New Trade or New Entry, enter your ticker symbol, buy and sell details, entry and exit prices, time, date, strategy, emotional state, and even confidence level. Once all information is filled in, press save and your trade appears in your journal, ready for review and reflection. With customizable templates, charts, and sentiment tracking, Stock Journal makes it easy to maintain a detailed, consistent record of your trades and analyze performance over time. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.